If your humidifier is not working properly, it can totally mess with your comfort at home, especially when the air feels dry and annoying. So first off, always make sure you clean your humidifier regularly because gunk and mold buildup can block the mist from coming out right. You want to empty the water tank every day and wipe it down to keep things fresh. Next, check your water panel or filter. If it's all crusty or clogged, replace it because that's often why your humidifier stops working well. Use distilled or filtered water if you can, since tap water has minerals that clog stuff faster. Also, don't forget to place the humidifier on a flat surface away from walls so the mist spreads properly. If your humidifier won't turn on, double-check the power source and make sure everything is plugged in tight. Sometimes, just giving it some time to dry out and then restarting can help too. Remember, keeping the parts clean and swapping filters on time is key to getting good humidifier performance. One of the biggest issues with humidifiers not working is dirty filters or water panels. These get clogged up and stop the mist flow. Fix it by swapping them out regularly, like every 1 to 3 months depending on use. Another common problem is neglecting to clean the unit, which leads to mold or bacteria growth. This not only messes with performance but can cause health issues, so give your humidifier a good clean weekly. Lastly, using hard tap water loads minerals inside the machine, causing scaling and blockages. Switching to distilled water totally helps avoid that mineral buildup and keeps things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners easily find trustworthy local contractors for all their home projects. Contractors get a steady stream of work through the site, making it a win-win for everyone looking to fix or improve their homes.